In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update a deployment on Vercel. First, head over to vercel.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up or start a new project right from the homepage. Since I already have a project, I'll just log in. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with your teams and projects. To update a deployment manually, go to the Deployments tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your past deployments. Click on the deployment you want to update. Inside the deployment details, you can check your domains, status, build duration, environments, and links. To redeploy, click the three dots in the top corner and select Redeploy. This will push your changes live to your site. You'll see the deployment status as building, and it usually completes within a few seconds. After it's done, you can view build logs, summaries, custom domains, and runtime logs. If you prefer automatic updates, simply make changes to your code locally, commit them, and push to the branch linked to Vercel. Vercel will detect the push, build your project, and deploy it automatically. You can also choose to roll back to a previous deployment if needed. And that's how you update a deployment on Vercel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe for more great tutorials.